Having the capabilities of the information built into candlestick signals makes analyzing what type of trend you're in much more clear. And the benefit of candlestick signals is it tells you exactly what's going on in investor sentiment at specific technical levels. For example, this downdraft or this big down move came from a double top with a doji, with a close below the T-line. There was nothing that showed that the T-line was, or that there was any positive trading until we got to what the Japanese rice traders have indicated to us, that when there's major indecision in the market, there is a lot of, or a big possibility you're about ready to change direction. However, notice the change of direction. Stopped right here. If you'd thrown Fibonacci numbers on, you were pretty close to that. So the benefit of candlestick signals is that you can throw everybody else's technical indicators on your screen and see where the sell signals or reversal signals may be occurring. Once you get rid of that, your next step is what type of trend are we going from this level? Well, we start seeing a trend channel developing. And this trend channel kind of extrapolates out to where this current trend, which seemed to bounce off the bottom of the trend channel, is about ready to head up and test the 50-day moving average. At least you have a target based on what the charts are telling us that you might be heading in an upward direction. And so we need a little bit more information on that. And that little bit more information is that we see a trend channel in the NASDAQ. And today, when it pulled back and did a doji, makes it very clear. The stochastic's absolutely flat. Which way is this market going? Who knows? Except based upon our simple rule of the doji, the trend will usually move in the direction of how they open it. So that's going to be a very easy analysis tomorrow, that if we see the pre-market futures positive, we know we can still be buying aggressively. If the pre-market futures are lower, coming back through the T-line, tells us maybe this downward trend channel is starting to take place. There are just simple rules in candlestick analysis that make it much easier to project targets. And whether it's for individual stocks or market indexes or live cattle trades, as we can see, there's the top right here and there's bottoms right here. And notice what occurs at the tops and the bottoms. Identifiable candlestick signals. Where is this logical target going to go? We will watch to see what happens once this you draw a line through these tops, right about in here. Once it gets up to this level, be able to see what type of candlestick signals will occur at that point. At that point, you can make a very rational decision that if you start seeing weakness, such as dojis or shooting stars, that it's time to take profits, they're going to take it back down. On the other side, instead of taking profits too soon, if you see a candle that breaks through, a bullish candle that breaks through that level, you know that you want to continue to hold that position. This is what allows investors to dramatically improve their profitability, is by analyzing what the signals have told us and then what the chart patterns are telling us. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.